Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to start new lesson, and the name of the lesson is jugs and mugs. Children, you all must have seen these jugs and mugs at your home. And if I'll ask for which purpose these two containers are used, definitely your answer will be we keep water in this jug and mugs. Children, my second question is which container hold more water? Then definitely your answer will be jug. Jug hold more water than the mug. Here you can see three more containers: bowl, cup and pot. Among these three, which container hold more water? Your answer will be pot. And which container hold less water? Your answer will be bowl. So children, amount of liquid that a container hold is known as its capacity, and in this lesson we will learn about capacity. Okay, so capacity means amount of liquid that this container hold. Suppose if this pot is filled with this 5 cups of water, means its capacity will be of 5 cups, right? But children, this is not the standard unit to measure the capacity. We use standard units to measure the capacity, and the capacity is measured in liter or milliliter. Children, liter in short can be written as a small l, and milliliter in short can be written as a small ml. And children, 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. It means 1000 milliliter of water makes 1 liter of water, right? And children, this milliliter is a small unit of capacity. Here you can see these are the containers: spoon, cup, glass, medicine bottle and water bottle. Children, these capacities are measured in milliliter, okay, because they contain a small quantity of water, right? And children, liter is a big quantity, big unit of capacity. And here you can see the capacity of this bottle is 2 liter, and this jug is 2 liter. This bucket is 15 liter. This water tank is 500 liter, and this water tanker is 15,000 liter. Okay, so liter is used to measure the capacity of big containers, right? Children, if I'll ask, this is a jug, right? And its capacity is 1 liter, and this is a small glass, and it holds 200 ml of water. Okay, so how many glasses of water you will pour in this jug? So one times if you will pour in, you are filling 200 ml water. Second time 200 more. Third time 200 more. Fourth time 200 more. And fifth time 200 more. So when you will add this, it will come 1000 ml. It means 5 glasses of water you are pouring in this jug to make it 1 liter of water. Okay, 1 liter has 1000 ml of water. Children, now let us see how can we convert liter in milliliter. Children, it is very simple. To convert liter in milliliter, you have to put 3 zeros at last. For example, 8 liter. What you will do? You will write the number and put 3 zeros at last and write milliliter. 9 liter, 9 and 3 zeros at last, 9,000. Okay, suppose you have 9 liter and 345 milliliter and you have to convert this in milliliter. So you know how to convert this liter in milliliter. What you will do? You will write 9 and put 3 zeros at last. This is milliliter, and this 345 milliliter will be added in this and it will become 9345 milliliter. Children, hope you all have understood. Now let us learn how can we convert milliliter in liter. Here one example, 2485 milliliter, and you want to convert this in liter. Children, what you will do? You will remove 3 digits from your right side. This will be milliliter and the left number is 2. This will become liter. Children, hope you all have understood. So what will be its answer? 2 liter 485 milliliter. Right? Now let us see one more example. 6095 milliliter in liter and milliliter. What you will do? You will remove 3 digits from your right side. 1, 2, 3 digits. This will be milliliter and the remaining one is 6. So answer will be 6 liter 95 milliliter, because 095 you will read as 95. So the answer will be 6 liter 95 milliliter. Children, hope you all have understood how can we convert liter and milliliter, and you also can guess the capacity of different containers. Okay, so children, watch video carefully to understand the method of conversion of liter in milliliter and milliliter in liter. And children, you guess how much a container can hold water. Okay, so thank you and have a good day.